Good morning, grade one. How are you today? Today we will start with the first season and the last season in the year. It is winter. What is winter? Winter is the season that comes after fall. We are we are still in winter. Nowadays we are in winter. Winter is very cold. As you know, that summer is very hot, but winter is very cold. So again, winter is the season after fall. It has the fewest hours of daylight. Remember when we said that summer has long hours of daylight, but winter has the fewest hours of daylight, and the night starts very fast. Okay, we have long night, but we have fewest hours of daylight. Winter is very cold and snowy, and of course, it's rainy. But here in Egypt, we don't have snow. So we have rain in Egypt and, of course, cold weather. In winter, people wear heavy clothes to stay warm. Again, winter is the season after fall. The weather is very cold, it's very rainy and snowy in some places, but not in Egypt. And we wear heavy clothes to stay warm in winter. Many plants have no leaves in winter. Do you know why? Why? Why do plants have no leaves in winter? Because it's snowy, it's cold. We plants don't have enough sunlight to grow, so that's why plants have no leaves in winter. And if you remember what's happening to plants in fall plants drop and they die. And of course, in winter, plants have no leaves at all. We don't have sunlight, it's very cold. We have the fewest hours of daylight, so plants they are not able to grow at all. And some plants don't grow until it gets warm, in spring, because in spring plants begin to grow because it's warmer, of course. So, winter is the season after fall. It's very cold, rainy, snowy. We wear heavy clothes to stay warm. And in winter, plants have no leaves. What about animals in winter? Of course, because plants have no leaves in winter, so it's very hard for animals to find food. So, what are the animals doing? Some animals can sleep the whole season. They can sleep from the beginning of winter until it ends because they cannot stand the hunger and they cannot stay hungry for a long time. So that's why they sleep to save energy and they don't want to die. So that's why they sleep. And some animals change color to stay safe. Some grow thick coats to stay warm. Okay, we can find that some animals color change in winter from brown and from gray to the white color, okay, to hide, to be able to catch animals and other animals cannot see them. And we have some animals that grow thick fur to stay warm. So animals can sleep in winter. Some animals can eat from the food that they stored in fall. If you remember when they were collecting food in fall to eat it in winter. And the last thing that we said that animals change their color in winter and they have thick coats or fur in winter to keep them warm. Okay? So winter is the season after fall. It's very cold, rainy, and snowy. We wear heavy clothes in winter to stay warm. Plants have no leaves in winter. Animals, it's very hard for animals to find food because plants have no leaves. So some animals eat from the food that they stored in fall. Some animals sleep until winter is over. And there's another change that happens to animals in winter, that their color changes in winter from brown and gray to white. And of course, they start to have thick coats or fur in their bodies to stay warm in winter. I wish that you understood our lesson for today. See you next Sunday, grade 1. Happy weekend. Bye bye.